After the Shishunaga dynasty, another very important dynasty which is represented also in the Greco-Roman literature is the House of the Nandas. We have references to the Mahapadma Nanda, the founder of the Nanda dynasty, and his 9 other Nanda rulers in the Puranas. So these other rulers could have been his sons or brothers. But historically we have reference to, apart from Mahapadmananda, we have reference to Dhanananda as the last of the Nanda dynasty, ruler of the Nanda dynasty, whom actually Chandragupta Maurya defeated and became the ruler of Magadha. Thus, with the Nanda dynasty and coming of the Mauryas began another chapter in Magadhan history where the Mauryas could entirely subdue the powers and become a pan-Indian power. Now, when the struggle for supremacy was going on between the different principalities, as mentioned earlier, Magadha emerged victorious. Now, what are the reasons which helped Magadha to become the preeminent power in northern India needs to be scrutinized. So, what we find is that when these sort of factors combine together, then it was very easy for the Magadhan monarchs with their astute political sense to have a preeminent position among the other monarchs of the time. Another important factor was the growth of the urban centers during this period. These urban centers were centers of attraction where you have a huge amount of craft specialization. Magadha, with its vast resources, both mineral and agrarian resources, could provide the platform for such kind of craft specializations. And therefore, Magadha emerged victorious in the long struggle between Magadha and the preeminent powers or the eminent powers of the 16 Mahajanapadas. When Magadha was attaining its height, we have in the 5th century BC, northwestern India facing a different kind of scenario. Around 5th century BC, northwestern India experienced an invasion from the west, and this is known as the Persian invasion in Indian history. But the brunt of the Persian invasion did not reach the Middle Ganga plains. The factors which helped in the development of Magadha was not found in any other region. And therefore, it was possible for the Magadhan rulers to have a concrete military force, having a very good foundation of revenue, taxation, and having a very strong agricultural base to move ahead from the other rulers.